In the misty folds of Hunan province, where the Tuo River quietly winds its way through a valley of time, lies a town born of poetry and memory. This is Fenghuang, the Phoenix ancient town. A place where the past still breathes, and the river carries whispers from 1,000 years ago. Stone pathways lead us through narrow alleys, worn smooth by centuries of footsteps. Above, wooden stilt houses hang gracefully over the water, their reflections dancing in rhythm with passing boats. The scent of tea drifts from hidden courtyards. The echo of distant zither hums between tiled rooftops. Here, even the silence speaks of emperors, of poets, of love stories forgotten by time. Red lanterns sway gently under eaves carved with dragons. Bridges arch in elegant silence across jade waters. And the ancient city wall watches it all, unchanged, unmoved, eternal. In Fenghuang, every detail tells a story. The brush of calligraphy on scrolls. The hum of incense in quiet temples. The laughter of children chasing shadows at dusk. As the sun dips low, the river glows golden. Lights flicker to life like stars come down to earth, casting a soft spell over the night. This is not just a town. It is a feeling, a stillness, a heartbeat of old China, quietly waiting to be remembered. Welcome to Fenghuang, a timeless refuge where the phoenix never dies.